Understanding information security, principles, components, and importance. In today's digital era, information is one of the most valuable assets for individuals and organizations. The rise in cyber attacks, data breaches, and insider threats has made information security a critical area of focus. This video explores what InfoSec is, its core principles, components, common threats, and why it matters. What is information security? Information security, commonly abbreviated as InfoSec, refers to the practice of safeguarding information whether stored digitally or physically from unauthorized access, misuse, disclosure, alteration, or destruction. The goal of InfoSec is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. The CIA triad is the foundation of InfoSec. The CIA triad forms the backbone of all information security strategies. Confidentiality protects sensitive data from unauthorized access. Techniques like encryption, multi-factor authentication, and role-based access control help maintain confidentiality. Integrity ensures data remains accurate and unaltered unless modified by authorized entities. Checksums, hashing, and version control systems help verify data integrity. Availability guarantees that data and systems are accessible to authorized users when needed. Redundancy, failover systems, and regular maintenance ensure availability. Key components of InfoSec access control. Restricting information to authorized personnel through authentication, passwords, biometrics, and authorization policies. Data encryption. Securing data during storage and transmission using cryptographic algorithms. Network security, protecting data in transit across networks using firewalls, VPNs, and intrusion detection systems. Incident response and disaster recovery plans for detecting, responding to, and recovering from security incidents and data breaches. Security awareness training. Educating employees to recognize and avoid social engineering, phishing, and insider threats. Common threats to information security. Phishing attacks, deceptive emails or messages to steal sensitive information. Malware and ransomware, malicious software that disrupts systems or demands payment for data release. Insider threats, employees or contractors intentionally or accidentally compromising data security. Data breaches, unauthorized access leading to data theft or exposure. Why is InfoSec important? The consequences of poor information security can be devastating, ranging from financial losses and regulatory penalties to reputational damage and loss of customer trust. Industries like healthcare, finance, and government are particularly vulnerable due to the sensitivity of their data. Best practices for strong InfoSec. Implement multi-factor authentication, MFA. Regularly update and patch systems. Use encryption for data at rest and in transit. Conduct regular security audits. Develop a robust incident response plan. In conclusion, information security is not just an IT concern, it's an organizational priority. By implementing the right controls and fostering a culture of security awareness, businesses can protect their data, maintain compliance, and build trust with customers. For more cybersecurity tips and information, subscribe to the Learning Hub channel. Thanks for watching.